Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about important questions and answers relating the history of Pakistan from 1947 to present. Question: Who became the second Governor General of Pakistan? Answer is Khaja Nazimuddin. Question: Ceasefire line between India and Pakistan was established on January 1949. Answer is 1st January. Question: Who the first day chaired the inaugural session of the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan? Answer is Joginder Nath Mandal. Question: Quaid-e-Azam took oath of Governor General from the. Answer is Justice Abdul Rashid. Question: Liaquat Ali Khan took oath of Prime Minister from the. Answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Question: Quaid-e-Azam was appointed Governor General of Pakistan by. Answer is King. Question: The first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan lasted for dash years. Answer is 8 years. Question: How many members were there in the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan? Answer is 69. Question: How many members were added to the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan? Answer is 10. Question: Dash members were taken from the East Wing of Pakistan. Answer is 44. Question: Dash members were taken from the West Wing of Pakistan. Answer is 35. Question: The first Constitution of Pakistan was approved by the National Assembly on. Answer is 23rd March 1956. Question: Pakistan was an Islamic Republic in the year. Answer is 1956. Question: The first martial law was enforced on Pakistan on. Answer is 7 October 1958. Question: The term of National Assembly under the Constitution of 1962 was dash years. Answer is 5. Question: The finance minister in the cabinet of Khaja Nazimuddin was. Answer is Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Question: How many members were there in the second Constituent Assembly of Pakistan? Answer is 80. Question: The first Prime Minister of Pakistan was. Answer is Liaquat Ali Khan. Question: Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated on. Answer is 16 October 1951. Question: Who was the Prime Minister of India during the 1965 war between Pakistan and India? Answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question: The last Speaker of the National Assembly during Ayub's government was. Answer is Abdul Jabbar Khan. Question: Who is the author of the book Friends Not Master? Answer is Ayub Khan. Question: Who was named the first leader of the opposition in Ayub Khan's constituted first National Assembly? Answer is Mr. Yusuf Khattak. Question: If the President dissolved the legislature, he himself shall have to be re-elected. It was mentioned in Pakistan's Constitution of. Answer is 1962. Question. Who is the author of Politics in Pakistan, The Nature and Direction of Change? Answer is Khalid B. Sayyid.